characteristic of light is light travels.
Very fast.
Okay, before that, yes, very fast.
And in a straight line.
Okay, another one is light travels in a straight
Line.
straight line. Okay, if we say straight, for example, there is the sun there. Or for example, this is the sun. Okay, so the sun gives off light. How does the light travel? So it travels in a straight line. Yes, the sun rays travels in a straight line like this. Baka mabali na yung Marcos din sun rays yan na straight. Ha? Is this straight? This is a curved line. So the sun rays travels in a straight line. Aisha?
Yes, ma'am.
So early in the morning, when you see the sun there, you can see the sun rays no gumulgulay si siya sinduntog, di ba? You can see the light rays. The light rays are straight. Okay, and it says there, very fast. Meaning to say, just click. One click only. Ano sa yung team? Di ba itong dim light? Di ba? Naman flashlight kayo? Naman flashlight. Kaya mo yan. O, isli kas rin flashlight ang isli corner. Bakit kayo mansud pa lang itong matong din silaw sila kasi kayo ilan. I-on yun yung flashlight and ilan yung isli dagos, di ba? Because the light travels very, very